I'm Pedro Gomes. I'm the program director of the Graduate Diploma in Economics. So the Graduate Diploma in Economics is a conversion course that allows students to switch from other areas into economics. So it gives you the equivalent of a second degree in economics. So we cover four main courses. Mathematics for economists, applied statistics and econometrics, and then two theory courses in economics, macroeconomics and microeconomics. And it's obviously not the same as a BSc in economics, but it covers really the most important parts.
Birkbeck has a great reputation in the city amongst employers. They're known to equip you with technical skills, strong technical skills. So it was only natural for me to sort of come on here and do a GDE in preparation for a further course in economics.
The reason that I really wanted to do the graduate diploma in economics at Birkbeck is that I felt it would give me the really full and complete understanding of the fundamentals that I needed, both for my job and for the masters that I wanted to do in economics.
The advantage of the program here at Birkbeck is that we offer the possibility to do the graduate diploma as a distance learner. So this is not a MOOC, this is not a massive online course. It's particular, you still have to sit the exams, but you can sit the exams anywhere in the world where there is a British Council. So the distance learners have all the material available to students. So they'll have access to lecture notes, slides, problem sets, solutions to problem sets, readings, and they'll have access to all the lectures that are recorded. So as if they were in the lecture theater, they won't be able to interact with the lecturer, but we do offer online support, so a specialized tutor. So you can contact the student can contact the tutor, and they can arrange meetings by Skype to help the learning process.
Doing it online, it allowed me to stay at home in Manchester, working part-time. I didn't have to pay for living costs down in London, so I could live at home instead. Because I work part-time, study full-time, but I also play football 3-4 times a week. It's not easy, but being it online and because they stream and then record the lectures, if you do have a week that's really rushed or busy, you can just leave it and then do it, start studying at the weekend next weekend and catch up then, which is very useful.
We also have discussion forums we can use and other modes of interactive engagement that students can use, that distance learners can use in particular as well. So there's a whole range of measures that of tools that are available, some of which have already been used and others are sort of in the testing phase and are about to be rolled out.
The way Birkbeck's done it is very good. I feel you do feel included as well. It's all very well explained. You know, they've got all the information in the handbook, and you've got a personal tutor, your academic tutor, your module tutors. So there's always someone to go talk to, which is it's very useful.
So we currently have students from Singapore, Italy, Ukraine, Belgium, and Trinidad and Tobago. So we have really students from all over the world. And like the face-to-face students, the distance learners can use the GDE as a stepping stone towards coming for an MSc in economics in one of the UK universities.
I took the GDE with a view to pursuing a master's program in economics. So I currently am at UCL, and I'm constantly surprised by how prepared I am for the master's course. And this is me comparing myself with people who've done an undergraduate degree in economics. So they've done 3 full years completely immersed in economics. And I'm constantly surprised by how prepared I am, how much I've heard of topics, etc. Even if you weren't to pursue further education, I know a lot of people who've just entered the job market on par with economics undergraduates. So I think it's great that a 1-year course, or 2 years if you're doing it part-time, should sort of equip you with the same skills that an undergraduate degree would.
I think it's not just affected my job prospects, but like my career direction almost, because I was set on going into finance, and now after studying the GDE, I'm almost considering looking at masters in economics at the moment because I enjoy studying it that much. I might do a masters and then go into the job market.
I had course mates doing all sorts of things and moving to PhDs or you started working as an economist or moving on to other areas. So you can do a lot of things from here.
So the GDE is really unique, and I think that because it allows you to do something that's hugely rigorous and gives you a really broad base of understanding in economics, whilst also doing that alongside working full-time, it's incredibly flexible as well as being comprehensive.